girlies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another review video. As you know, I do like my vegan and cruelty-free beauty products, particularly if they have a natural element to them or they're organic. I prefer not to put too much junk on my skin. I do have quite sensitive skin and yeah, I'm always on the lookout for that. Plus, I just don't think you should harm animals for beauty related reasons. I was contacted by the lovely Australian skincare company Alya Skin. They are a cruelty-free vegan company and they have sent me very kindly their Australian pink clay mask. Being an Aussie company, also a little bit of home country represent there. So I thought that I would give that a go. As usual, I only ever review products that I would genuinely be interested in buying and trying myself, and it is not a sponsored video. It is just something that was given to me for free, and if I like it, I will do a little review about it, especially if I think that you guys might be interested too. Here is their product. I'll show you their little pot inside. Very cute. It has a little bit of a retro feel about it, like a 50s face cream or something, which I quite like, and it's all in pink. The smell is beautiful. It has like a slightly rose smell, but is very, very faint. So if you're someone that doesn't like really strong smells, like I find a lot of products are over perfumed, and that really kind of does me in that I have allergies and things and I tend to sneeze a lot. So this is very, very mild and all natural. I like the ingredients list. It has very few ingredients in it, and the ones it does have are natural. So it does say them on the box. Australian pink clay, obviously being a clay mask. Bentonite, aloe vera, vitamin A, vitamin E, kakadu plum, witch hazel, licorice, pomegranate, mangosteen, old man's weed, rosemary, kelp, extract organic, C1774191, benzyl alcohol, phenoxyethanol, dihydroacetic acid, and lactic acid, and D-limonene. Now, yes, it does have some preservatives in it because it is a beauty product and it's not going to last on the shelf if it doesn't have some preservatives in it, but the main ingredients are natural and very soothing. I have a little video here of me popping on the mask. I just steamed my face first, popped on the mask, and then just relaxed with some cucumber slices on my face, as I like to do. The feeling of cold cucumber slices on your eyeballs is amazing. I did find that it really pulled the impurities in my skin to the surface. I haven't done a mask for a very long time, so I was in dire need. And also, I spilled hot oil all over my face the other day whilst cooking hush puppies. One exploded and covered my face, so I was a bit congested and quite sensitive and red. You'll see that a little bit here, like I've got a few like little red marks. That is not as a result of the mask, that is a result of me like burning my face. Uh-oh! My life. And today is the day after I used this last night, and I wanted to give you a little review of how my skin is this morning, hence why I don't have any foundation on and I am looking au natural. I do have my eyebrows and mascara on, but that is it, and a little bit of lip gloss. So what I found overnight is that my skin absorbed my moisturizer extremely well, and I woke up with really, really soft skin, which Val can attest to. I woke up and I was like, feel my skin, feel my skin. So yeah, I was really impressed with this product in that sense, in that it really clears the gunk out, and then if you have a really nice, good quality moisturizer, it's really going to absorb the moisturizer really, really well. As I say, it's all natural, which is always a good thing for me. And they do have a little competition going at the moment. So it says, repost a photo of you and your face mask, tag at Alya Skin Oz, and use the hashtag Alya Skin Babe. One winner will be chosen each month and will receive a year's worth of Alya Skin for free. That's actually really good every month. So that's pretty cool. I imagine I'm probably out of the draw for that. But you guys can enter, and as I say, it's vegan and cruelty free. So that is a thumbs up for me. I really like this product and I will continue to use it on a regular basis. I probably need to do a mask about once a week, especially with all the makeup that I have to put on for shooting these videos and for doing shows and all that kind of stuff, and even for my job I have to wear quite a lot of makeup, so it's good to just like suck that out of my skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want more review videos, let me know. You can always make suggestions about the kind of products that you would like me to review, and don't forget to come join us in the Vintage Tips and Tricks Facebook group. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm at Miss B-Town on everything, and I will be back as usual every week with a video here on YouTube and occasionally a bit of bonus content. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click that little notification bell so you know when my videos come out, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.